to skate 2 years after arriving in Canada. I wish I had learned earlier, but that doesn't discourage me from playing. I'm here to learn. The Assist Fund can help.
We came 5 years ago to Canada. I see my friends in Ottawa, they are 40, 45, okay? We're gonna play hockey this weekend. It's like in Chile you play soccer, here you play hockey. So we want to be part of this country, you know?
He's just progressing really, really well. It's been fun to watch.
He will be able to get in contact with other people through hockey, which is fantastic.
I think, in my opinion, he's really confident now. He's part of a team, a community, you know? It's like, I am someone.
Because when it's time to play, we can all use an assist.